Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Sudoku with 0 stars. 0 stars, yes, it has 28 printed digits. And this one will be number 6632. Not into today's newspaper on Wednesday. No, Wednesday. It's today, actually Wednesday, June the 21st, 2023. We have no extra puzzles or additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the additional of yesterday's newspaper, June the 20th, Tuesday, yeah, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle. We have 3 puzzles left. The first puzzle I've already solved. So 2 puzzles are remain. The Tectonic with 1 star and the Sudoku with 0 stars. Yeah, 28 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes with the 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. This has 27. Yeah, for 1 star we have 27 printed digits. This one has 28, so maybe I'm faster than 50 minutes. So 40 minutes, 30 minutes, I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the digit 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, no need to place left for the 1 should be here or there. You see, 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, okay. How about the 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between. Second row, only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column between. Only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 place left for 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. How about well, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 9. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in the first row. So no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the first column should be there. Okay. Yeah. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 place left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. Again. Yeah. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Okay. And now, 5 cannot continue. 5, 5, 5, no. 5, 5, 5, no. How about, and 7. Well, we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. That means 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6, 6, okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. We have a pair. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row. We have a 1 and a 6 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Need an 8 here. Need a 4. And I need a 7 here. 4 and an 8. 4 and 8. 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be in the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7. Let me mark those. 4 and a 7. Here also 4 and a 7. Here we have a 6 and a 1. 4, 7, and the 9 are missing here. 9. Okay. And now. Need a 4, need a 6. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We share 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, digit number 2, number 9. How about the 3s now? 3, 3, 3, 3. No. Let me think. 1 and the 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair, I believe. We have a 3 and a 5 in this first column. We have a 3 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. We have a pair. 5 and a 6 in the third row, 5 and a 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. And look, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 here, okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 now in this middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Okay, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the middle column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in the middle column. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, okay. 7 and 8, we have 8 now in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row be 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then two missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, we have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square for the same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, 30 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF now, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Yeah. The Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.